here at Kensington Metropark Nature Center. Welcome to Science with the Metroparks, where we do short and easy science experiments that you can do in your own home with things you find around the house or in your pantry. Today on Science with the Metroparks, we are going to be making our very own fossils. Now, before we do any experimenting, I want to make sure that you have parent supervision to help you with this experiment, especially this one, because we're going to be using an oven. So let's go ahead and talk about what type of supplies that we'll need to do this experiment. The first one, an oven, a baking sheet, spatula, measuring cups, spoon, some flour, some salt, some water, a mixing bowl, an oven mitt, and some small figurines that you have around the house that you want to make your fossil with. Maybe if you have some toy dinosaurs, or some shells, or if you have little action figures, you can use those to make your fossils with. And then you want a table and a plastic tablecloth. Now today on Science with the Metroparks, I have a really special guest that's going to be coming in, and he's going to be helping us make some of our fossils today. And he is coming all the way from the Cretaceous period. Come on in, Rex. Welcome, Rex. Thank you so much for helping me out today. So let's get started here. We're going to start with our mixing bowl here. And the first thing that we're going to put is some salt. We need 1 cup of salt. So I'm going to measure that out and put it in here. Thanks for the encouragement, Rex. All right. And now we need some flour here. I'll do the first cup of flour. Do you want to do the second cup of flour? All right. We need 2 cups of flour. So let me measure out the flour. Okay, there's 1 cup, and Rex, I'm going to fill this up for you, and then you can go ahead and put it in. All right. Perfect. Good job. Oh, well, it's a good thing we have our tablecloth down. Thank you. Sometimes science can get a little messy, huh? All right, perfect. Now we need our water here. 3/4 cup of water. I'm going to mix it up first with a spoon to help me mix it up a little bit. And then after I mix it with a spoon, I'm then going to mix it with my hands to get it to kind of like a doughy consistency. All right, that's looking pretty good. What do you think, Rex? Does that look good? Oh my goodness, Rex! No, we can't eat it. We can't eat it. Please, please, please do not eat the dough. It's very salty. It's not going to taste good. All right. Now once we have it to the doughy consistency, we are going to want to put it on our baking sheet here, and we want to make little cookies. I'm going to have some dough here. Make a little cookie, form it into a ball, and then spread it out. There's an example of one there. Rex, do you want to make one? All right, there you go. Make another one here. You want to use all your dough. Whoop. Do you need help with that? Oh, you got it. Perfect. Yay. Okay. And then you want to take a little figurine here. You want this one? Maybe a little Allosaurus for you, Rex. And you want to push it into your dough. Good job. You got it. And it forms a little imprint in your dough. Now, depending on how thick or thin your dough is, it cooks for about 1 to 3 hours at 200 degrees. And you want parent supervision to help you get it into the oven because it's a little hot. So 1 to 3 hours at 200 degrees, and you want it to be completely dry when you take it out of the oven. So I have some here that I cooked for you before our video today. And these are what they end up looking like. I'm going to bring it close to you so you can see. Rex, you can stay right here. You can see the little imprint there. Be careful over there, Rex. Don't get any ideas. All right, you can play with this. You can take it outside, keep it in your house. You can paint it if you want to. Do anything you want with this. See, Rex, doesn't it look pretty cool? You're like, oh no, Rex, we can't eat this. Remember, not edible, not edible. Please do not eat your cookies. Here, Rex, you want to take this one? You can hold it while we finish up our video here. Oh, Rex, where are you going with that? Oh, Rex, those Cretaceous period animals, they can get a little crazy, huh? So, once you have yours finished, you want to make sure that you clean up your science mess. Remember, when we make a science mess, we always want to clean it up. And I'm going to clean mine up so I have a little bit more time to make some more fossils and to play with my fossils here. Thank you so much for tuning into Science with the Metroparks today. The instructions with this video are with the video, including the materials that you need and any instructions that you need. Please remember to like and subscribe the Huron-Clinton Metroparks, and good luck experimenting, everybody.